thing is, I need light. I can't really see him. I can see my money. Wonder how. There we go. Yes. Oh, he looks so funny. Oh my God. What? Well, this is his third pillow. He had a great big one. For some reason, he likes the little ones better. I can't. Oh, he's stopping to look at me. He doesn't see this. Like, I'm gonna try not to laugh. It doesn't take much. What is he doing? Oh, now I should shut up. Oh, heck. Uh-huh. Yep. Even the cat came out to see what he's doing. The cat's down the hallway. I can hear him shaking his bill. He looks like a rabbit hopping around. Oh my goodness. I know. I'm sure when I laugh it goes up and down, just like that lady was shaking her stuff. Oh shoot. I hope it's not too dark in here. Oh, I'm gonna try not to laugh. Look, the cat's watching him too, and he noticed the cat watching him. Are you panting, Georgie? You're getting it out of your system? Oh. You know what? I think that's what he's doing. That's what he's doing. Yes, that's what he's doing. I guess. Oh, here he goes. He's going to kill it now. Yeah. I don't know what that means. I haven't noticed. Lipstick. Oh, shoot. He's still going it. I don't know how long this video will last. How long do dogs do this? I have never in my life seen a dog do that. Uh-oh. around the whole room backwards. Oh, heck. Oh, I can't stop crying. Oh, my goodness. Oh, he's a good laugh. Oh, my. What a good laugh. He's done now. What is he, silly Georgie, doing, huh, Mr. Kitty? He's getting a drink now. He's goofy, isn't he? Georgie needs a cigarette.